If you want to run a marketing campaign with a project board and actually stay organized from start to finish, this quick tutorial is going to save you a ton of time and headaches. I've tested the most popular project management tools out there, and by the end of this video, you'll know how to set up, manage, and track your campaign using a project board. Plus, I'll share how you can try the software we'll be using completely free with an exclusive trial just for my channel. Let's jump right in. Start by creating a new project board. You'll usually have an option to select a template, choose a marketing campaign, or blank board depending on how hands-on you want to be. Name your board after your campaign, like Q2 Facebook ads launch or email funnel sprint. Now break the board into columns to represent each stage of your campaign. A simple flow could be planning, in progress, approvals, scheduled, and completed. You can customize this later, but this setup works for 90% of campaigns. Next, add your tasks as individual cards. Think of each task as a single action item, like write landing page copy or design IG ads. Assign team members, add due dates, and attach any relevant files or links right to the card. You can also use color labels to quickly filter by task type, like creative, copy, or analytics. One powerful trick: add a checklist inside each task for subtasks. So for launch email campaign, your checklist might include finalize copy, test links, set schedule, and segment list. This helps you avoid bottlenecks and stay accountable. To track your campaign's progress, use filters to view only overdue items, tasks assigned to specific people, or tasks in a certain column. This makes your daily or weekly stand-ups way more productive. You can also switch views. Calendar view is great for deadlines, while timeline view helps you visualize your entire campaign flow and catch overlaps or delays early. Now here's the real magic: automation. Use rules like when a task moves to scheduled, assign to John and notify the ad team. That alone saves hours of back and forth and keeps things moving automatically. If you're using our software, all of this is super intuitive and beginner friendly. I've included a link to an exclusive free trial in the description below. It's only available through my channel, so grab it while it's still active and follow along as you go. Key takeaway: if you're running a marketing campaign without a project board, you're flying blind. A well-structured board not only keeps you organized, but ensures nothing falls through the cracks. Quick recap: set up your board with clear columns, create action-based tasks, assign team members and deadlines, use checklists, and automate routine steps to keep momentum. Don't forget to check different views to get a fresh perspective on your timeline and deadlines. And before you go, if you want to follow along using the exact same system I recommend, be sure to take advantage of the exclusive free trial linked below. It's the best way to test everything we covered today without any commitment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.